स्टार्ट कोत्ता हे आंदोलन कित्याक जालें, हे हंगर स्ट्रायक कित्याक जालें. 3 वर्सां जालीं हांव निवडून येयलो. वोट फॉर चेंज. आमचो एक्स चीफ मिनिस्टर गोंयभर भोंवलो. 3 म्हयने लागले लास्टाक तेका भोंवपाक आनी तेणें सांगलें आय विल गिव यू चेंज. एंड येस ही गेव अस चेंज. जेन्ना एक्स चीफ मिनिस्टर बाब मनोहर पर्रीकर हिंगा येयल्लो कलंगूट, तेका इश्यूज सांगलेले. कलंगूट वॉज बर्निंग that time of these same issues: dance bar, drugs, prostitution, illegal massage parlors, bogus massage parlors. आणि हे सगळे जावपाक let us not blame any government, but let us blame first ourselves. Second, few of the corrupt police officers and few of the corrupt administrators. आयज हांव हे सरकारा कडेन झगडना, हांव हे एडमिनिस्ट्रेशना कडेन झगडटा. एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन तिंगात उत्ता, सरकार चेंज जाता. काँग्रेस आसलो, आता बीजेपी येयले. बाब मनोहर पर्रीकर जेन्ना चीफ मिनिस्टर जालो, तेणे डीजीपीक सांगले तेन्ना हे डान्स बार बंद कर म्हणून. इट टूक अस 2.5 months. वी शट ऑल दिस डान्स बार्स. आम्ही हे सगळे डान्स बार बंद केले. डान्स बार बंद केले. 12 ते 13 महिने डान्स बार बंद आसले. स्लोली चेंज ऑफ पुलिस ऑफिसर्स जाले एट हायर लेवल. आणि खुंयची वोक काढून कोण तरी एकलो साईट केले. सुप्रीम कोर्टान एलाव केला म्हणून डान्स बार जे बॉम्बे बंद जाले ते चालू करचे म्हणून. सुप्रीम कोर्टान हल्ले केन्ना डायरेक्शन दिवंक ना. सुप्रीम कोर्टान सांगला गर्ल्स डान्सिंग इन अ डिस्को इज नॉट एन ऑफेन्स. आमचे खूप डिस्को हा. गोवा इज फुल ऑफ गुड डिस्कोज. लॉट ऑफ गर्ल्स डान्स. इट इज नॉट एन ऑफेन्स. R.R. Patil, the then Home Minister of Mumbai, said, I will not listen to Supreme Court. These are dance bars. These are fronts for prostitution. I will shut them down. It is the order of the Home Minister of the state. So all the dance bars in Mumbai were shut. Some of them came to Goa. They were all dancing in around 12 to 13 dance bars. More than 540 pimps. Somebody was saying touts. I'm calling them pimps. They are pimps roaming all over Baga, Kalangut, Kandolim, Shinkerim. On the beach, you'll only find pimps. आमका जेन्ना एक्स चीफ मिनिस्टरान सांगले PI, DGP, SP सगळे आसली. You arrest all the pimps. You know how many pimps were arrested? 504. रिकॉर्ड हा. कलंगूट पुलिस स्टेशनाचे रिकॉर्ड हा. म्हाका हाऊसान आन्सरूय दिल्लो हा. हाऊ मेनी पिम्स वर अरेस्टेड इन कलंगूट, Kandolim, Baga? 504 numbers. Where were all of us? आम्ही सगळे न्हिदलेले. आम्ही सगळे न्हिदलेले. I wrote numerous letters once the dance bar started back again, that is after 13 months. But all went on deaf ears. The file started moving. Deputy collector phone complaint dita. He sends it to Mamladar to Talati back to deputy collector to collector. Then it goes to government and the file only is missing to close the dance bars. I as a MLA, what do I do single-handedly? Panchayat is saying I have only given them restaurant license. So who gave them dance bar license? Nobody. Excise म्हणता आपण excise license दिला. Police म्हणता they soundproof ha. How can I stop their music? But I said what they are doing inside. The girls are holding the men. They are kissing the men. They are doing all sorts of things. On the first and second floor they have cubicles. धाकटुले प्लायवुडाचे रूम. काल सगळ्या लोकांनी पळयला ते cafe la musica. Cubicles were there. When the mob of more than 500 people not only damaged but uprooted that restaurant. Such was the people's anger. And we were passing the bucks from here to there. पंचायत म्हणटा आय एम नॉट रिस्पॉन्सिबल, एमएलए म्हणटा आय एम नॉट रिस्पॉन्सिबल पंचायत. सो हाऊ विल द पीपल गेट द जस्टिस? वी हॅव टू वर्क टुगेदर. वी हॅव टू वर्क टुगेदर सो दॅट पीपल, जे आमची चेडवां आहा, भयणी आहा, कोणाच्यो बायल्यो आहा, तांकां रॉंग नोदरेन हे ट्युरिस्ट जे गोंया येता फॉर लास्ट ऑफ सेक्स, for women who come over here, they should not look at them in that direction. Goa, and especially Kalangut constituency and all the coastal belt of Goa, should be free from this prostitution, should be free from these illegal massage parlors, should be free from these dance bars. Finally, 7 number dance bars remained. Save Goa, save Kalangut म्हणून एक मुवमेंट स्टार्ट जाले. कित्याक सगळेच जण कंप्लेन करता, म्हाजेय कडेन येता. Elderly woman is saying that my girl cannot move out after 7 o'clock because on the way there is a dance bar. All the men are outside, they are drinking. They ask my daughter, will you come for the night with us? We will give you whatever money you want. What is this going on? How konak answer diyu? Whom do I answer? If I talk, my party gets angry. If I say something, some minister gets angry. The chief minister gets angry. They say there are lot of more priorities also, not only your constituency. Ex-chief minister was only giving for your constituency. Yes, he has given me lot of things. He has given me lot of development. He had also given me good police officers to clean this place. But where there is tourism, all these activities will continue, but we have to be vigilant. आमी दोळे ओपन दवरचे पडटले. आमी सगळे गोवन्स एक जावचे पडटले. जोर तर कोण इलिगल एक्टिविटी करता, आमकां पयले वचून ताका सांगचे पडटले ओनराक, बाबा हे तूं बंद कर, नाजाल्यार गोंयचो लोक पिसो जातलो आनी कितें करीत ती गॅरंटी ना. द अदर डे 500 people got together. आयज जो तर पुलीस येवन डान्स बार एक बंद करता, अंडर सीएमान फोन मारला म्हणून जाल्यार 8 दिसांक बंद जाता, नाजाल्यार 10 दिसांक, नाल्यार 15 दिसांक, मॅक्सिमम 20 days. परतून स्टार्ट जाता. सगळे लोक थोणावले, परतून स्टार्ट जाले. लोकांची तिडक इतली की तेणी मुनानसून ही डान्स बारां काढली. 4 डान्स बारां मुनानसून काढली, फाउंडेशन बसून काढले जेसीबी घालून. इतलो राग गोंयकाराचो, इतलो राग हा म्हणून म्हाका पयल्या फावटी दिसले पळोवन. कित्याक आय सपोर्टेड ऑल द पीपल, the people's movement. They were fed up. But I was thinking that somebody may get killed. That is why I was telling them to cool down. Nobody was ready to cool down at that particular time. FIR is filed on me. माझेर FIR केला 2. कोणे FIR केल्या? पिंप. हे भडवा जो हा, जो ट्रेनीन गोंया येयल्लो, एक पोती घेवन येयल्लो आनी हिंगा पिंपिंग करतालो, तो आयज पावरफुल भडवा जाला व्हडलो. 3 डान्स बारां तेजी आहली कालांगूट. तो सगळ्यांक हिंगा चेडवां सप्लाय करता. All the tourists who are coming and who wants girls, he supplies. He has become monopoly, and the police knows about it. But there are some police officers corrupt on the higher end who are supporting him. They are phoning the Kalangut police station not to arrest him, not to raid his dance bar, not to raid whenever he supplies girls. He gives information. Whoever other pimps are giving girls, he gives them information and police raids them. So he's become a monopoly. Is the police going to keep quiet? Is our chief minister going to keep quiet? I want to ask this. I am a loyal party soldier. हांव पार्टीचे अगेन्स्ट उलयना, गव्हर्मेंटाचे अगेन्स्ट उलयना, कोणाचेच अगेन्स्ट उलयना. I am fighting for the injustice being done to Goans. And I want all this mess which is happening in this beautiful Kalangut coastal belt to be finished. Dubious massage parlors. Oh, no more dance bars. डान्स बारा पयरच्यान बंद जाल्या. ज्या दिसा 4 डान्स बारा मोडली त्या दिसासून डान्स बारा बंद जाल्या. पूण हांव इतलेंच सांगूंक सोदता, आयच्यान त्या दिसासून आनीक कलांगुटान डान्स बार कोणूच उकडचो ना. हांव जेलीन बसपाक रेडी आहा. I am ready to sit in the jail. We will not only stop it, but we will see that it comes out from the roots. Enough is enough. Let's stop all the blame game. Let us take the responsibility. We are all responsible people. People have elected us. Every punch member elect kela. Do not renew their licenses just because of few votes. Some belongs to the locals who have rented them out. Please do not renew their license. Don't want those 4 votes. तुम्ही 4 वोटांनी जिखून येवचे ना. लोक तुमका एकूय वोट घालचो ना तुम्ही जो तर आहल्या कामांक सपोर्ट करीत जाल्यार. Secondly, the brutal assault on John Fernandez. I am not targeting police over here. There are few bad policemen who are bringing bad name for this department. From day one good IGP has come to Goa, Mr. Garg, IGP Garg, Sunil Garg, very good officer. Itlo boro officer, he wants to clean this wrong system which is there in the police department. He wants to do a lot of cleaning up mess, but he's not getting proper support. I have told the Chief Minister yesterday night, 15 minutes उलयला Chief Minister कडे आणि सांगला तेका जो तर आमचं सरकार आज येला जाल्यार रॉंग डुईंग्स ऑफ द अर्लियर आधी जे पुलीस आले ते ड्रग्स ओपनली इकले तेंच्यांनी माल खाणातसून काढून म्हणजे तिजोरेन तेंचे ड्रग्स धरलेले ते पासून इकले त्या खातीर आमचं सरकार येला आम्ही निवडून येयल्या लोकांनी आमचेर विश्वास दवरला तो विश्वास आम्ही लोकांक दाखोवपाक जाय. We have to give what the people want. We have to deliver it. So give required powers to this Inspector General of Police, because just below his rank there are police officers who are making money, and after the inquiry Chief Minister has come to know who are these officers who are supporting this so-called pimp, that Chotu म्हणून एकलो कोण इतलो पावरफुल जालो आहे 3 डान्स बारा हिंगा आणि सगळ्याक prostitute supply करता. ह्या मनशाक हे police officer support करता. If this government and if this police department does not take action on this police officer, senior police officer, I will take that person's name openly. I will take a press conference in Panjim and I will take the name and I will tell the CBI to investigate, because phone calls record जाता रोकडेच. ये पिम्स ज्या छोटू आसले पिम्प या सिनियर पुलिस ऑफिसराचेर फोनाचेर दिसाक कितले फोन करता. So this is enough evidence. Forget about the money transaction, it is enough evidence. How will the police inspector work if he is getting pressure from his seniors? I sat over here on indefinite hunger strike for today is only because of this reason. There are senior police officers involved in collecting money who are allowing this flash trade to continue. न्याय को हम यवतलाम का. I spoke to IGP regarding John Fernandez case. He said they will be suspended and we will do further inquiry to see that one of them gets dismissed.
Lovely.
This officer is required. A clear message has to go to all the administration, not only police, all the other administration, deputy collector, mamledar, PWD, wherever, that you cannot take the Goans for granted. If we come out, तुमच्या आनीक म्हाका दिसना तुम्ही त्या ऑफिसान पावतले कहे. लोकांक स्वताय नाका, बारीक गजालीक लागून तुम्ही लोकांक स्वतायता, ह्या आयडीनसून त्या आयडीन धांवडायता फॉर स्मॉल मनी. स्टॉप दॅट. Corruption has gone up. Everybody knows. We cannot keep quiet anymore. I have told the Chief Minister. He has to seriously look into this. We won because of that. You cannot take people for granted anymore. I am requesting all the Goans who are here, we all have to stand united and fight. If needs be, we will have to take law in our hands. If needs be. But I think from that day, government has taken cognizance. The police will act and everybody will act. If they don't act, we will show them their place. I thank each one of you. सगळ्यांक तुमकां कावजान सान देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. स्पेशली जे हिंगा यूथ हा सेफ कलंगूट आनी बाकीचे सगळे आरपोरासून येयल्या कोण आनीक दुसरे विलेजीनसून येयल्या सपोर्ट करपाक आमकां. कांय लोक सकाळींसून उपाशी आजून पासून till 6 o'clock, till 6:30. I thank them from the bottom of my heart, and I expect that my government will take action on those people who are responsible to not only to shield those people like dance bar owners, but also to see that all these foreigners who are selling drugs, especially Nigerians, action is initiated on them. I thank the press, media, and all of you. कोण हिंगा सगळे येयल्या नांवां कोणाचीच घेयनासतना सगळ्यांक देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. I thank the owner of Redonda who has closed his restaurant today. All the other shop owners who closed it today because of this meeting and hunger strike. And I will always wait whenever I will require your help. Whenever there are issues of the people, I will always stand by you. And let us all stand united to fight what is wrong. Thank you very much.